Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. In this lecture, we have learned about VLSM. VLSM is a very important topic in computer network. To know the importance of VLSM, I have already showing you the interface of any designing any network. In this network, when we configure any PC, when we put any IP address in the PC, let's show you how it works in IP configuration of this PC. There is value of subnet mask default gateway, and when we do VLSM, we know the value of subnet mask or default gateway. So to design any network, you must know the VLSM. So in this lecture, we are learned about the VLSM. So in this VLSM, you are already given three network IP. So the value of IPs are 54 and 28. To do VLSM, first you order it as descending word. That means first we get the value of 50. First we write here 50, then again 50 is less greater than of 28, then we write 28 here, and then 4 comes. That means their highest value is 50, then 28, then 4 comes. So we here write as 50, 28, 4. A network, then C network, then B network. Then to count the bits, we write is as the power. Here we power is 2 to the power 6 is greater than 50, and 50 is greater than 2 to the power 5. That means that 2 to the power 6 is 64. 64 is greater than 50. We already know that is, and 50 is greater than 2 to the power 5. That means 50 is greater than 32, as 2 to the power 5 value is 32. So again for network C comes, then comes network C. So 28. So you realize, you understand how you can write this to 28. So we know 2 to the power 4 is 16. So and 2 to the power 5 is 32. So we can write is 2 to the power 5 is greater than 2 to the 28, and 28 is greater than 2 to the power 4. For network B, here is 4. So we know that 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So here we write is as it is. So then comes number of allocated IPs, and number of allocated IPs is the highest power we write here. So I will give you here we write how the highest value of network A, highest value 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. So here we write 64. And then network C, highest power is 2 to the power 5, and 2 to the 5 is equal to 32. And here to square, that means 4. So understand all of my students that number of allocated IPs is the highest power of 2. Okay, then number of host base and number of net base. Number of host base and number of net base, there x equal to 6. The highest power of 2 to the power. So here the highest power of 2 is 6. So here we write 6. Okay, then network C. Network C, the highest power of 2 is 5. So here x equal to 5. For network B, the power is 2. So x equal to 2. And then comes Y. Y is 32 minus x. Here y is 32 minus x. X means 6. So 32 minus 6 is 26. And then x equal to 5. So y equal to 32 minus 5. That means 27, and then y equal to 32 minus 2, that means 30. So then we come subnet mask. To subnet mask, you have learned about the binary to decimal form. Okay, uh, I hope you all are learned about binary to decimal. So for your kind information, I do here the subnet mask. If you have any queries about binary to decimal, let me know the comment section that you face any difficulties to binary to decimal, then I will give you another video for more explanation. Okay, for here I do it for you. Okay, so here y value is 2 to 26, so we write is 26 number of 1. So and we separate is 888. That means first I write it, then I will explain it. So how we write it? 26 number 1. We write it as 8-bit 8-bit. So uh, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, 24 number of 1. Okay, and how many bits are rest? 2. 2. So 24 and 2 is 26. And the number of raised bits we convert is as 0. So here, for every line, there is 8 number of 1. So we write is 2 number of 1. So here the raised bits as 6 number of convert is as 0. So 60. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we write is decimal format. So the value of this decimal form is 25, and then the value of this is 25, and the value of this is 25, and the value of this binary to decimal is first two number was 1, that means 192. Okay, you understand this? We convert is binary to decimal. And how we get this number? We get this number from the value of y. Here is 26, the value of y. So we write is 26 number 1 of 1, and rest of the piece we convert it as 0. Then we get the value of decimal to 25, to 255, 255, 255, and 192. Then we write is 255, 255, 255, and 192. I hope you understand. And if any student don't understand this, I will give you another example. For network C, we will see that the value of y is 27. So we put here 27 number of 1. So here is 8 number of 1, here is 8 number of 1, here is 8 number of 1. So the value is 24. And then again 24, we have to do 3, take 3 1. So 1 1 2 1, and then here 3 1. So here is 27 number of 1. So when is convert is decimal format, the value to 255, 255, 255, and here 31 means 224. So we write is 255, 255, 255, and then this value is 224. Okay, student, and then allocated IP. Allocated IP is start with the IP block. Here the IP block is 130.3.0.0. So first we write this, and again the range is when the range is stop. Range is here 63. And how we get 63? The number of allocated IPs minus 1. So number of allocated IPs minus 1 means 64 minus 1, so 63. So the range is 0 to 63. Okay, and then network C. So the network C, the starting range is the next value of the previous IP range. So the previous IP range ends with 63. So here the IP block start with the 63. Next number is 64. So start with 64, and 64 to how many bits? The bits we get from the number of IPs minus 1. So here 64 to 31 bits. So 64 to 31 bits means 95. Okay. And then again the next block is start with 95 5. The next number of 95 is 96. So the starting block is 96. 96 to how many bits? Allocated IP is minus 1. So allocated IP is 4, minus 1 means 3. So 96 to 3 bits means 96, 97, 98, 99. 96 plus 3 means 99. So here we write 99, 96 to 99. Okay, and this slash number means is y value. Okay, I hope you understand the whole lecture. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section.